The number one problem of a healthcare franchise is how to fix it. Ask anybody what the secret to success is in a healthcare franchise, and they will tell you it's the caregivers. And with today's low unemployment rates, the recruiting has become tougher than ever. Should you be paying more than other healthcare franchises in your area? How much should you be paying? And will it all make a difference? How much should you be paying your health franchise caregivers? First, you need to find out what your competitors are paying. You do this during your interview process, asking questions about current pay scales where the caregivers currently work. Obviously, the health franchise paying the highest rates will have the best retention and top caregiver talent. But when you're just starting out, it may not be possible for you to pay the same rate as your established competitors. Are there any advantages of paying your caregivers more than your competition? Besides making you more competitive on hiring, it will also increase your retention rate. It costs on average $2,600 to replace a caregiver. A 2018 home care benchmark study reported that being one of the top 10% in pay agencies reduced turnover by 40%. Average caregiver pay is from $9.50 an hour in the South to $12 an hour in the Pacific region. You can use these figures until you actually start learning what your competitors in your local area are paying. A good pay strategy, coupled with a good retention strategy, should make your health franchise a success. A good retention strategy incorporates good training, frequent recognition programs, and good communications with your staff. It is also interesting to note that the turnover rates in these regions correspond strongly to how much the caregivers receive. For a list of companies that have the strongest caregiver recruiting programs, visit Top 10 Senior Care Franchises.